guys, welcome back to Chicken Boom Boom. Lonnie here, and today I'm just going to be vacuuming. So I'm just gonna make a video because if you guys didn't know, then I tried to make a video of me vacuuming, but I accidentally ran over Lizzie's foot. So now I'm just gonna remake that video, except for I'm not gonna run over anybody's foot today, and I'm using a larger sized vacuum. So let's just get started with this. So my cat Comet is not fond of vacuum cleaners, so I'm just gonna have to warm it up and just rev one time so then he'll know that I'm about to use it. So let's rev it up. In case you guys didn't see that, he just got scared. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Start back. I got up, looked behind me, and it was coming towards me. That was really scary, you know. Oh my God, Caleb, I'm so sorry. So guys, looks like I accidentally did that with Caleb. So that's what happened to him today. And the vacuum cleaner. I'm so sorry, Caleb. It's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you were Caleb, would you be scared? Or if you were me, what would you do? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends, and bye.